Welcome to JSA TV and JSA Podcasts, the newsroom for telecom and data center professionals. I'm Barb Mitchell, coming to you from virtual PTC 21. Joining me today are Chad Rodriguez and Katie O'Hara from Stream Data Centers. Thanks for joining us.
Thanks for having us, Barb.
Yeah, and welcome everyone to JSA TV. I'd like to start with you, Katie, if you don't mind. Obviously 2020 was a big year in a lot of ways. A lot of things unexpected came about. Can you talk to us about Stream and how you guys managed through this year, what it looked like for you?
Yeah, of course. I don't think many of us saw 2020 coming. It's definitely made us think about our industry a little bit differently and how important and integral we are in the whole world. And it's allowed everyone to virtually connect throughout the world. At Stream, we have focused on a lot of our just client relationships this year, as well as building out new markets. So it's been an interesting year.
Yeah, to say the least, right? Yeah. So Chad, if over to you here for a second. Obviously, a lot changed, a lot of unexpected things, but no slowing down for Stream. And I know that while normally we would be on the ocean front in Hawaii, you guys have been spending a lot of time away from the ocean in the desert. Can you talk about that with us?
Yes, Phoenix. Yes, we have found our beach in the sands of Phoenix. Our first phase is now complete with 4.5 megawatts of available capacity. It's the first of 5 418,000 square foot, 40 megawatt data centers. The entire campus sits on 157 acres of land. At full build, the entire campus will support 2 million square feet of data center facility space and 200 megawatts of critical load, providing one of the largest multi-tenant campuses in the region. Also in Phoenix, kind of to the second part, and that was the Cox partnership. We're ecstatic to partner with Cox. They've invested more than $1 billion in Arizona over the last decade, bringing one of the most highly connected networks in the region to our facility. So we're working with additional connectivity partners to do more of the same. We have long haul and metro fiber routes adjacent to the facility. So it's working with those providers to grow our ecosystem, whether it be traditional carriers, cloud enablement providers, K through 12, E-rate networks, or even fiber niche providers.
And Katie, I understand Stream's also made a big splash in the Midwest. Can you tell us about that? What's going on there?
Yes. Well, we just finished commissioning Chicago 1, and we just announced Chicago 2. So 1925 Bussy, we have 32 megawatts coming online end of 2021. So pretty excited about that new project.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah.
Chad, it's been, I can't believe, a year since, obviously since last PTC, but also since I was chatting with you and Chris Bear. We talked a little bit about how Stream was beginning to concentrate on energy sourcing and renewable energy for data centers. Is this still a point of focus, and what developments, if any, can you fill us in on there?
Absolutely, it's still very much the case. In fact, we've sourced renewable energy at 3 of our live facilities, DFW 7, Chicago, MN1. We've also assisted in procuring renewable energy for several clients, one of the largest being an EPA top 30 green power partner in the tech and telecom vertical. So continued focus for Stream.
So in addition to all of that and all of the latest developments and updates that you've shared with us, what about 2021 and beyond? What's in store? What can we watch out for Stream? Anything you can sort of hint at to us or give us a sort of peek behind the curtain, so to speak? What's coming? What's next?
Well, if we told you, it'd be no fun. Come on.
Yeah, I know. Well,
exactly.
I know you can keep some surprises, but maybe there's a few things you can share.
Yeah.
Chad, anything?
Yeah, no, definitely. It's, yes, we've kind of already heard the spoiler alert with Chicago 2. But what you'll see from Stream is more of the same, adding capacity and doing what we've done since 1999. As we talked, 2020 was challenging enough for us all. So we want to continue to be the best at what we do well, and that's keeping it simple. It's listening, like we mentioned last year, and it's taking action where action needs to be taken. our vision here at Stream is we believe that getting data center space should be a great experience, and it's our mission to proactively invest in great people and great facilities to make that happen.
Yeah, great. Well, thank you so much for coming and talking to us and sharing a little bit about what's been happening with Stream. It's so great to see you guys again. I wish we were in person, but we will be soon. We will be soon. Yeah. So thanks so much for your time, Katie and Chad. And thank you, viewers, for tuning in to JSA TV and JSA podcasts. Happy networking.
Thanks,
Thank
Barb.